All right, guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about PEY, known as Invesco High Yield Equity Dividend Achievers ETF, and they're going to be traded on the NASDAQ. The overview states that the Invesco High Yield Equity Dividend Achievers ETF is based on the NASDAQ US Dividend Achievers 50 index. The fund will normally invest at least 90% of its total assets in dividend paying common stocks that comprise the index. The index is comprised of 50 stocks selected principally on the basis of dividend yield and consistent growth in dividends. The fund and the index are reconstituted annually in March and rebalanced quarterly in March, June, September, and December. On like the bottom right of the screen here, it shows a breakdown of the different segments and industries that their portfolio is targeting. So again, 20 almost 25% going into utilities, followed up by 19% in financials. We can see consumer staples and consumer discretionary are the next two. Towards the bottom, we have healthcare, information technology, real estate, and energy. Again, some of their top 10 holdings are bigger companies like 3M, IBM, Philip Morris, Altria, the VF Corp, Verizon Communications, and Walgreens. So again, they do have a pretty diversified portfolio out there. I do like that they have the 50 stocks that they kind of reconstitute annually, as well as they rebalance quarterly as well. I think that's pretty important too. All right, looking at the dividend history here, we can see that their dividend yield is coming in at 4.21%. Again, that's going to be a monthly dividend payout as well. Currently, PEY is trading at $20.36. Their 52-week low is $18.53, and the 52-week high is $22.68. So again, coming right around that middle 52-week high and low, almost right at that 50th percentile there. Again, looking back over 5 years, they have stayed pretty consistent and even increased their price point a little bit. Again, with looking at a dividend stock, you do want to see consistency within the price point, as well as slight increases over time. Again, I do like the fact that it's a monthly dividend payout as well. That's just something that's good to see. They have been consistent dividend payers as well, so that's always something to note too. All right, so for a final rating for PEY, I probably have to give them around a 7. I do like the fact that looking back over a 5 year span, they have stayed consistent in price point. They've even increased a little bit. They do offer a decent dividend yield of the 4.21%. Again, that's a monthly dividend payout as well, which I think is always helpful. I do like their portfolio breakdown. I like the companies that they're currently involved in, at least in their portfolio. They have a pretty good breakdown as far as being in utilities, financials, real estate, energy, industrials. So I think that they do have a pretty diversified portfolio, which is good. Again, it's something nice too that they look at, restructuring their portfolio and some of the different companies that are in their holdings, just to kind of take advantage of what's going on, with different stocks, things like that. So that's always something good to note. But again, it will be interesting to see how the rest of 2023 plays out, and how their portfolio goes for the rest of Q2 and even the rest of 2023. But again, guys, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys would rate PEY, and then let me know too what company or ETF that you guys would want to see in a future video. So drop a comment down below, hit the like button, subscribe, share the video with a friend. But without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one.